Question number 1. Which of the following is not a name for sponge spicules? Axon, monoaxon, triaxon, tetraxon. So correct answer is option A. Axon is not a type of spicule. Question number 2. The most important character of all sponge is coelentron, herbivorous nutrition, guanocyte, only sexual reproduction. So correct answer is option 3. Guanocytes are the specialized cells that are present in all sponges. Question number 3. All sponges, without exception, possesses spicule. They are marine. They contain spongy coal, or they are possesses spongian fiber. So correct answer is option C. All sponges contain spongocoal cavity. Question number 4. The collar cells are characteristic of a cornworm, earthworm, roundworm, sponges. So correct answer is option D. Sponges have collar cells. They are also known as guanocytes. Question number 5. The sponges possesses no tissues, epithelial tissues only, epithelial and connective tissues only, all four types of tissues. So correct answer is option A. Sponges have no tissues because they have cellular organization. Question number 6. Sponges are characterized by guanocytes, canal system, one exit and innumerable mouthlets. All of these. So correct answer is option D. Sponges have guanocytes, they have canal system, and there is one exit and innumerable mouthlets. So correct answer is all of these. Question number 7. A sponge is differ from all other metazoan in having nerve cell, absence of blood, numerous mouthlet and one exit. None of these. So correct answer is option C. मेटाजोन और स्पंजेस में जो मेन डिफरेंस है वो ये है कि स्पंजेस के अंदर न्यूमरस माउथलेट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं और सिंगल एग्जिट होती है. Are liver fluke, tapeworm, threadworm, sponges. So correct answer is option D. Sponges have no organ system organization, so they have no respiratory, excretory and circulatory organs. Question number 10. Which of the following are multicellular grade organism? तो sponges जो हैं वो multicellular grade organism होती हैं. So correct answer is option A. Question number 11. Organization in sponges is protoplasmic grade, cellular grade, organ grade, tissue grade. So correct answer is option B. Sponges have cellular organization while protozoans have protoplasmic grade organization. Question number 12. The animal nature of sponges was established by a Goldfuss, Trimble, Elias, Leakey. So correct answer is option C. Elias established the animal nature of sponges for the first time. Question number 13. Animal nature of sponges is shown by holozoic nutrition, absence of cellulose, presence of ciliated larva, all of the above. So correct answer is option D. Sponges have animal nature. This is shown by their holozoic nutrition, absence of cellulose in them, and presence of ciliated larva. Question number 14. Most sponges are asymmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical, vertically symmetrical, radially symmetrical. So correct answer is option A. Most sponges are asymmetrical and only few members are radially symmetrical. Question number 15. A sponge is a surface feeder, bottom feeder, filter feeder, herbivore. So correct answer is option C. Sponges are filter feeder. Question number 16. Characteristic of sponges is perforated body, triploblastic organization are linked between living and non-living are aquatic. So correct answer is option A. Sponges have perforated body means they have pores. Question number 17. Which structure in a sponge corresponds to the mouth of other animal? Ostia, osculum, incurrent canal, excurrent canal. So correct answer is option A. Ostia in case of sponge represents through the mouth of other animals. Question number 18. Sponges form a sideline of evolution, hence they are called Mesozoa, Porifera, Parazoa, Eumetazoa. So correct answer is option C. Sponges form sideline of evolution, hence they are known as Parazoa. Option D. Sponges have sedentary lifestyle, so they are sessile in nature. Question number 21. The name phylum Porifera was given by Elias, Gegenbaur, Goldfuss, Robert Grant. So correct answer is option D. The phylum name Porifera was introduced by Robert Grant. Question number 22. Mesohyle is found in Parazoa, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Echinodermata. So correct answer is option A. Mesohyle or Mesoglia is present in case of Parazoa. Question number 23. Sponges have radial symmetry, asymmetry, both of these, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Sponges mostly they are asymmetrical, but sometimes are few sponges have radial symmetry. Question number 24. Which of the following is not associated with phylum Porifera? Guanocyte, metagenesis, totipotency, or osculum? So correct answer is option B. Metagenesis is the alternation of generation and it is not present in Porifera. Question number 25. One of the following is not a sponge. Siona, Kalina, Kiliona, Hyalonema. So correct answer is option A. Siona is not a sponge. Question number 26. The middle layer of body wall of Porifera is mesenchyme, mesoderm, mesoglia, mesentery. So correct answer is option A. Middle layer of body wall of Porifera is known as mesenchyme. Question number 27. Which of the following is called republic of cells? Metazoa, colonial protozoa, sponges, coelentrates. So the answer is option C. Sponges are called republic of cells because they have cellular organization. Question number 28. One of the following is not a sponge. Mark it. Cycone, Spongicola, Pheronema, Kiliona. So correct answer is option B. Spongicola is not a sponge, rather it is a crustacean. Question number 29. A sponge can be distinguished A sponge can be distinguished from other animals by presence of cylindron, dermal papillae, hollow body, conocytes. So correct answer is option D. Sponges have conocytes that are specific to them. Question number 30. Flagellated cells in sponges are called thisocytes, porocytes, conocytes, pinacocytes. So correct answer is option C. Flagellated cells of sponges are known as conocytes. Question number 31. Conocytes are present in sponges in outer layer, inner layer, both of these, none of these. Correct answer is option B. Inner layer of sponges contain conocytes cells. Question number 32. The cells which can create water current and ingest food in leucocoelia and other sponges are trophocyte, pinacocyte, porocyte, conocytes. So the answer is option D. Conocyte cells create water current and they are also nutritive in function, means they can ingest food in leucocoelia and other sponges. Question number 33. The cells which are found only in sponges and not in other metazoans are conocytes, chondrocytes, nematocytes, nematoblasts. So correct answer is option A. Conocyte cells are found only in sponges. Question number 34. The conocytes or collar cells occurs only in cnidarian trematode sponges or earthworms. So correct answer is option C. Sponges have conocytes or collar cells only. Question number 35. The spongicle is lined with amoebocytes, conocytes, scleroblast, pinacocytes. So correct answer is option B. Spongicle cavity of sponges have conocytes cells. Question number 36. Conocytes are nutritive cells, reproductive cells, spicule forming cells, excretory cells. So correct answer is option A. Conocyte cells are nutritive cells, means they provide nourishment to the sponges. Question number 37. Which one of the following is a false statement? All sponges are hermaphrodite, conocytes are reproductive in function, sponges are multicellular organisms, porocytes allow in-current of water. तो इसमें जो फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट है वो है ऑप्शन बी कि क्वानोसाइट्स रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल्स नहीं होते, क्योंकि रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल्स जो स्पंजेस के हैं वो आर्कियोसाइट्स हैं, क्वानोसाइट्स आर द न्यूट्रिटिव सेल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. Which cells of sponges bear flagella? Porocytes, chromocytes, myocytes, conocytes. So correct answer is option D. Conocytes are flagellated cells, means they bear flagella. Question number 39. The endoskeleton of sponges is made up of cartilage, bone, calcareous spicules. Calcareous are siliceous spicules or siliceous spicule and spongian fiber or only spongian fiber. So correct answer is option D. Endoskeleton of sponges can be calcareous, siliceous, and similarly it can be made up of only spongian fibers. Question number 40. The spicules of sponges are named according to their form, size, number of spines, color. So correct answer is option C. The spicule of sponges are named according to their number of spines. Question number 41. The scleroblast is one of the porocyte, scleroblast, thisocytes, calcoblasts. So correct answer is option B. Silicoblast is one of the scleroblast cells which secrete skeleton. Question number 42. In leucocoelia, spicules are formed by calcoblast, silicoblast, spinoblast, spongioblast. So correct answer is option A. In case of leucocoelia, the spicule is formed by calcoblast cells. Question number 43. The skeleton producing cells in sponges are myocytes, scleroblasts, osteocytes, chondrocytes. So correct answer is option B. The skeleton producing cells of sponges are known as scleroblast. Question number 44. The solitary hypothetical ancestral stage of sponges is ragone, leucon, Oscirella or Olynthus. So correct answer is option D. The solitary hypothetical ancestral stage of sponges is Olynthus. Question number 45. The classification of phylum Porifera is primarily based on canal system, spicules, symmetry, branching. So correct answer is option B. The classification of phylum Porifera is based on presence of spicule. Question number 46. To which of the following class would you place Leucosolenia, Calcarea, Exactinellida, Demospongi, or Heterocola? So correct answer is option A. Leucosolenia is a calcareous sponge. Question number 47. Which one of the following is a calcareous sponge? Leucosolenia, Hyalonema, Euspongia, Euplectilla. So correct answer is option A. Leucosolenia is a calcareous sponge. Question number 48. The precious marriage gift in Japan is Spongilla, Hyalonema, Leucosolenia, Euplectilla. So correct answer is option D. Euplectilla is a sponge that is given as a marriage gift in Japan. Question number 49. The Venus flower basket is the name of Leucosolenia, Euplectilla, Cycone, Euspongia. So correct answer is option B. Venus flower basket is the alternative name of Euplectilla. Question number 50. Venus flower basket belongs to the phylum Porifera, Sedentrata, Mollusca, Gynodermata. So correct answer is option A. Venus flower basket belongs to phylum Porifera. Question number 51. The sponge that is showing commensalism with shrimps is Adamsia, Euphagus, or Euplectilla, Euspongia. So correct answer is option C. Euplectilla or Venus flower basket show commensalism with marine shrimps. Question number 52. An example of class Exactinellida is Spongilla, Euplectilla, Grantia, Leucosolenia. So correct answer is option B. Euplectilla belongs to class Exactinellida. Question number 53. Euplectilla is a limy sponge, glass sponge. So correct answer is option B. Euplectilla is a glass sponge. Question number 54. Glass sponges live in freshwater, shallow water, brackish water, deep water. So correct answer is option D. Glass sponges are inhabitants of deep water. Question number 55. Which one of the following sponge is famous for the beauty of skeleton? Pheronema, Leucosolenia, Euspongia, Euplectilla. So correct answer is option D. Euplectilla has a beautiful skeleton. Question number 56. The glass rope sponges belongs to the class Hyalospongi, Chalcospongi, Chalcospongi or Demospongi, Sclerospongi. So correct answer is option A. Glass rope sponges belongs to class Hyalospongi or class Hexactinellida. Question number 57. Till death we do not part is symbolized by a Spongilla, Euplectilla, Cycone, Hyalonema. So correct answer is option B. Till death we do not part, it is symbolized by Euplectilla because of their commensalic relationship with shrimps. Question number 58. 6 red spicules are found in Olenthus, Leucosolenia, Euplectilla, Demospongi. So correct answer is option C. Euplectilla has 6 red spicules. Question number 59. What is left after a bath sponge disintegrates and dries? Silk fiber, muscle fiber, spongian fibers, nerve fibers. So correct answer is option C. When a bath sponge disintegrates or dries, behind it left spongian fibers. Question number 60. Bath sponges are found in Red Sea, Gulf of Mexico, Mediterranean Sea. All of these. So correct answer is option D. Bath sponges are present in Red Sea, Gulf of Mexico, and Mediterranean Sea as well. Question number 61. The body of Euspongia is mainly composed of spicules, spongian fiber, nematoblast, mesoglea. So correct answer is option B. The body of Euspongia is mainly composed of spongian fiber. Question number 62. Which of the following is a freshwater sponge? Spongilla, Euplectilla, Cycone, Hyalonema. So correct answer is option A. Spongilla is a freshwater sponge, belongs to class Demospongi. Question number 63. The best commercial sponges are found in cold shallow water, warm shallow fresh water, warm shallow sea water, deep sea water. So correct answer is option B. The best commercial sponges are found in warm shallow fresh water. Question number 64. Natural sponge is prepared from Spongilla, Euspongia, glass rope sponge, leafy sponge. So correct answer is option B. Natural sponge is prepared from Euspongia. Question number 65. The best commercial sponge are cultivated in Indian Ocean, Mediterranean Ocean, Arabian Sea, Pacific Ocean. So correct answer is option B. The best commercial sponge are cultivated in Mediterranean Sea.